Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that make your beauty routine shine. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Smashbox Metal FX eyeliner in shade 02, Molten, a metallic bronze pencil designed for a long-lasting, smudge-free look with a precision tip for effortless application. From the packaging to the formula, Smashbox has aimed to combine bold metallic impact with smooth usability. This eyeliner features a creamy, blendable texture, allowing for sharp lines or a softer, smoked-out effect, depending on your mood. The pencil form makes it convenient for both quick touch-ups and more intricate eye designs, and the metallic finish is designed to catch light beautifully, adding dimension to your eye makeup. Testing it out in my daily routine, I found the liner glides on with minimal tugging, which is a real win for sensitive eyelids like mine. The precision tip allows for both crisp lines along the lash line and soft shading when blended with a brush or fingertip. Over an 8-hour day, including brief afternoon touch-ups, the pigment remains strong, and I noticed only very minor fading toward the inner corners. It's also waterproof enough to handle a light morning workout or humid environment without smudging, though heavy sweating may require a setting spray for optimal endurance. One thing I appreciated was how the creamy formula didn't feel heavy or cakey, which can happen with metallic liners. On the flip side, because it's so creamy, sharpening the pencil frequently is necessary to maintain that perfect point for detailed application. If we weigh the pros and cons, the liner's pigmentation, metallic shimmer, and smooth glide are definite strengths. Its blendability is excellent for creating multiple looks, from subtle bronze accents to dramatic cat eyes. On the downside, frequent sharpening and the minor fading in high oil areas are the only drawbacks I observed. Regarding value, Smashbox isn't the cheapest liner on the market, but the quality of the formula, the lasting metallic effect, and the ease of use justify the price for anyone serious about eye makeup. Compared to other metallic liners I've tried, this one outperforms many in terms of blendability and crease resistance, though some drugstore options offer similar longevity at a lower cost if you're on a budget. The build quality is solid. The pencil feels sturdy, and the metallic sheen of the product doesn't dull after repeated use. Longevity-wise, it holds up well over weeks of regular use without significant changes to texture or performance. Smashbox has a solid reputation for customer service, so any product concerns are typically handled quickly, although I haven't had any personal need to reach out. If you're looking for alternatives, drugstore metallic liners like Maybelline or L'Oreal offer similar shimmer and wear, but the precision tip and creamy glide of the Smashbox Metal FX remain a notch above for those who prioritize professional quality application. Overall, the Smashbox Metal FX eyeliner in Molten delivers on its promise of a creamy, metallic finish that lasts throughout the day with minimal smudging. It's perfect for makeup enthusiasts who want to add depth and sparkle to their eyes with precision and ease. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. You can find a link to purchase the Smashbox Metal FX eyeliner in the description box below. If you've tried it already, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.